Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I will show you the smart way to discover all apps and programs installed on your computer. So let's see. All right, so the very first thing you want to do on your keyboard, what you need to do is to press Window plus R, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to make sure into this particular open file right here, type in this command right here, and then once you type in this command, hit on OK, and in a few seconds, all the apps you have on your PC is going to be displayed. You can scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you see all the numbers of apps you have installed on your PC. You can manage the app, uninstall any one of them. If you want to uninstall any one of them, what you need to do is to simply click on it and uninstall them. If you want to pin any one of them to taskbar, simply click on it and choose them to be taskbar, or create a shortcut key from any of the app by using these particular options right here. Just click on the app, and then if you want to create a shortcut key, click on create shortcut key. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to find all programs and apps that is installed on your Windows 10 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.